One Nation, One Election bill in the Lok Sabha on Tuesday yesterday amid dispute with the opposition. ONOP, One Nation, One Poll or One Election has been a long-standing poll promise of the BJP-led NDA. All right, big updates coming in, and we're getting you some more updates. Opposition stages protest against Shah's remark. So simultaneously, there's a protest which is happening as we speak. We'll try to cut across those pictures for you as well, as there has been uproar among the opposition over Amit Shah's remark, viewers. Back-to-back update coming in right now on Republic TV. And this is in regard to the Ambedkar remark. The Congress has been demanding Amit Shah's apology, and they allege that there has been disrespect shown to B.R. Ambedkar. The BJP has already hit out at the opposition, the Congress, a short while back, saying that once again they are participating in politics of confusion. But just as the parliament had begun, we showed you those pictures also, live pictures. We see once again that the opposition, led by Rahul Gandhi, is not inside but outside, as usual, staging a protest over Amit Shah's remarks. I want to go across to my colleague joining us, Riyanka. Riyanka, yes, go ahead. Rahul Gandhi is holding a protest against Union Home Minister Amit Shah's remark. And we have been seeing this, we have been talking about this as well, where we saw that Jairam Ramesh had put up an edited clip of Home Minister Amit Shah, and now we see protests happening. Go ahead, Riyanka.
Absolutely. The BJP and the Congress in loggerheads regarding Home Minister Amit Shah's statement when he had in fact said that the name of B.R. Ambedkar is being used as a fashion by the opposition. Now, what we see as per the visuals is that the opposition party are holding a protest at the parliament premises, led by leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, who continue to demand the apology of Home Minister Amit Shah. They say that Amit Shah has disrespected Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, which is why there has been this protest at the parliament premises, where the Congress party continues to allege the fact that it is Home Minister Amit Shah who disrespected Dr. Ambedkar in his speech yesterday in the Rajya Sabha regarding Dr. Ambedkar, and also to the fact that this created a ruckus in the Lok Sabha as it began, and then simultaneously being adjourned till 2 p.m. regarding this disruption that we witnessed a while ago. But for now, what we can see that the Congress party, led by leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, is holding a massive protest at the parliament premises. They continue to demand the apology of Home Minister Amit Shah. Remember, it was the BJP as well who have in fact come out and launched a response against the Congress party, saying that it is the Congress that is involved in spreading confusion, a narrative of confusion, by uploading an edited video of Home Minister Amit Shah's statement on X that was in fact uploaded by Jairam Ramesh. That is what we...
Yes, hold on. Getting some more breaking updates coming in right now. Arjun Ram Meghwal is speaking and has spoken a short while back and says Congress has no respect for B.R. Ambedkar, Baba Sahib Ambedkar, and even saying that they did not let him come to the parliament, also adding that PM Modi has etched Ambedkar's name in history. So we're getting these back-to-back reactions coming in right now, Riyanka, because we see that the parliament session is surely coming out to be a very, very interesting one with a lot of fiery statements. Let's go ahead and play out the entire reaction coming in.